What's the meaning of coterminous? Coterminous. Coterminous.
Coterminous. Coterminous. Coterminous means having the same boundary or extent in space, time, or meaning. For example, two countries that share a border are coterminous, or two different words with identical definitions can be said to be coterminous. The term is often used in legal and political contexts to describe areas that have overlapping jurisdiction or responsibilities. It can also refer to concepts or ideas that are closely related or connected. Essentially, coterminous is a way to express the idea of things being directly and completely contiguous with one another.